Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to do some more surface modeling on this F-16 here. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I want to install some more former pictures here. So what I'm going to do is go to the front view of this, which is number 1 on the number key. Let's see here. All right, then I'm going to come over here and select Import Append. Go to my D drive and scroll down to get to the pictures that I want. It's this one and click Open. Now this is rather large. I'll scroll in. And type the letter S for scale. And I'm going to scale this picture in. And let's go ahead and get it on the correct plane also. G for move. And I'm going to move it up to here. Actually, it's a further one, I'm sorry. And move it all the way up to here. Raise it up. And scale it some more. And G for move. S for scale. And click OK. And click this picture again. Then the letter M for material. And change the opacity here to 50%. And click OK. Okay. And I want to put another one in here, another picture former. The same thing, come up here. Come up here, import append. It's this picture I want. And click open. And again, it's a big picture also. And S for scale. And look at the side view, the number 3. And I want to move this picture in the correct place too. And this picture goes forward. So hit the letter G to move it. And I'm going to scale it more, S for scale. Look at it from the front view. And we need to move it over. So G for move. And I need to move this picture too, but I'll do one at a time here, so. And we need to scale this, S for scale. G for move. Move it down. Take a look at it from the front. And get it lined up. And click OK. And I need to move first, click back on this, letter M. For opacity here, change that to 50, click OK. Now I need to move this one. Look at it from the front again, which is the number 1. And G for move. And move this over. And click OK. Now you can see our formers are in here. And put in another former here. So we come up here, same thing. Well, first we want to go to the front plane. Then come up here. Import append. And select the picture. Open, and it's a large picture too. Letter S for scale. And make it smaller. And we want to get this in the right place too. And this one goes back here. So G for move. Take a look and make sure it's in the right spot. It is. So now you just scale it. So S for scale. And G for move. Move it up. Then look at it from the front, the number 1. Okay, let's first an M for opacity. Then click OK. G for move. Okay. So far, this is what we have. Now we have our formers in here. Now with this F-16, what I'm going to do is do this in sections. So right now, I'm just going to make this top here, and then I'm going to split this up, then make the bottom section here. So I'm going to do this all in sections. It with this particular model, you just can't put the cross sections in here and then loft them all. It just doesn't work out right because certain areas. So if you put a former here and then try to loft to a former here, this is going to just come down like this, etc. If you try to do stuff like that. So we can't do that. So what I'm going to do here is just do them all and do this fuselage in sections. So let's go to the front here. Turn off some of the stuff here. So I want to turn on the front one. This one. Actually, I'm going to do one behind it. So turn that one off. Okay. Now, I'll just start in here. So what am I going to do now is just let me think about this for a second. And I think I think you just want to do the more of this back, farther back. So let me turn on some of these in the back again. But I think I can do this. So all right. So now I'm going to come over here, spline curve. Okay, got that. Now I'm going to use Alt X. Well, first I'm going to move this to the proper place. So I want to hit G for move. And move this forward. All right, and click OK. Then I'm going to use Alt X to mirror this. And that side there. Click OK. Now highlight both of these. Letter J. And rebuild them. And click OK. All right, there's our first one. All right, now let's do the second one behind that, the next one behind it. It's not that one. Okay. That's the one we want. All right, so come over here to spline curve. And G for move, to move this into the right position. Click OK. And we want to mirror this again. Click OK. Select both of these. J, join them together. Then rebuild them. Click OK. Double click this. And click OK. And there's our second one in there. Okay, we're going to draw this one here. And turn these curves off. Select the spline curve again. And mirror this again, and that is Alt X. Select that side, click OK. J to join these two together. Then rebuild. Click OK. Okay. We turn these back on. See what we have. Okay. Move this to the right spot. We cancel this. Now this I want to move. And click OK. And I'm going to put one more in here. Turn these curves off here. Same thing here. Come up here to spline curve. Alt-X to mirror it, and select this side here. Click OK. J to join these two. Then rebuild, click OK. All right. Now, turn off these. Turn the curves back on. Turn off this. Then highlight all the curves. And L for loft. And click OK. Let me turn off these curves here. And turn the picture. And so far, this is what we have our F-16 here. And it looks really good. And as you can see here, it's all matching through here like it should. And this line here, I'm pretty sure what I did wrong. Well, not wrong, I just forgot to rebuild and double click and move one of the lines up, or one of the segments up. I don't remember which one, because you see there's no line back here. It's just all smooth curve here. And so there's, like I said, there's this break in here. So I just need to go back and find out which one I didn't do that to, and then rectify that problem. And this will all be smooth like this back here too. And but anyway, that's what we have so far with this, and it's looking really good so far. So that's going to do it for this video. And there's going to be more videos for this, because this is going to take some time to do, this F-16, and I want to show you guys how to do the whole thing. So I'm going to probably just do one video a week on this F-16 to get everything going. And like I said, I have to do this all in sections, because it's too difficult to, you know, just loft everything in here. It just doesn't work like that. So I have to do it that way, section by section, on this. So yeah. But yeah, that's it. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, I'd like to invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. There you can, on my Patreon site, you can get much more help from me there, and I can help you design the airplanes that you're looking to design. Just reach out to me and go ahead and join, and go ahead, like I said, join my Facebook group also. And they're both, the name of both sites are Cat Bill Fly RC. Once again, that's Cat Bill Fly RC. And yeah, and catch you in the next video, and hope you guys have a great rest of your week.
Subscribe for more.